Hey guys, welcome to the David Harley-Davidson YouTube channel. Today I'm putting in a battery in my Evo Softail. This is a YUASA. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's a made in America battery. They're not any more expensive than any other batteries that are made in China and all that crap. But you have to, when you get it, you have to put the electrolytes in it, or you can get them already charged. But I bought mine where it comes with electrolyte fluids in a separate bottle, and you pull a piece of foil off here, you pop the electrolyte bottles on there and they drain down in there slowly, and then you reseal the battery, and then you have to let it sit for a couple hours, and then you put it on a charger until it's charged. And that's what I did, and today I'm going to put it in my Softail. Okay, so like I said, you take the screw right here out. If you have the 2-up seat, you just take that screw out. There's 2 screws that go from the passenger seat to the driver's seat, but you don't have to take those out. They don't attach to the fender or anything. And then there's a bolt right here on each side. It's a hex head screw. Just loosen it and pull it out of there. There's a washer, lock washer. Set it on the floorboard. Come over on this side. There's a screw on this side. You loosen it up. Then you just pull the seat backwards, just like that. Now we can get to the battery. So we got the seat off, ready to take the battery out. See, there's some corrosion on here. This battery didn't hold charge more than a few days. If you started it up and rode it after it'd been on the battery tender, if you let it set for a day or two, it wouldn't want to start. So I figured it might even be causing my ignition issues, where I'm might not be getting enough spark because I'm fouling plugs. The battery cable. Ground wire, or that's the ground wire. There's the battery tender wire, ground wire. This little clip out, little strap holding the battery in place. And we should be able to pull the battery out of here. There we have it. Put the new battery in there. Watch your wires. Battery actually comes with a bag of hardware. Has a little block that goes in there. You have to figure out which one goes in there. Okay. It's the smaller of the blocks. It comes with two blocks like that. The way mine mounts from the top. This one's for the top, and these are for the side mount. Okay, these screws, actually, you can use bolts. You can use a 10mm to tighten them down good, which is kind of weird because everything else on our Harley is standard size wrenches, but this battery is, well, maybe it's because it comes with the battery, not the bike. All right, now let's put the seat back on. Slide that little tab in there. Make sure it slides in there. There. You can tell when that tab's in there. Put the screw on each side. Sometimes these tabs don't line up real good on these seats. You think you got the wrong seat, but you don't. You got to move it around.